Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to take a screen recording on Lenovo Legion. To do a screen recording, you need to click on the print screen button on your keyboard, which is here. If this doesn't work, then click on Windows, Shift and S at the same time. It should be working instead. And then it'll open this tool. Select the screen recording first, then select the portion of the screen that you want to record. I'm gonna select the whole screen without the taskbar. Now you can enable or disable the microphone. I'm gonna enable it, and you can enable or disable the system audio. Now you can click on Start and access the microphone, then it'll count down from 3 and start recording. Now you can do anything on your screen. It'll be all recorded. Then after you can either pause the recording and resume it later, like that. I've paused it, now I have resumed it. Then I can click here to stop the recording. Then it'll open this window in which you can actually view the recording, but it also will be automatically saved to your screen recordings folder. So let's go to File Explorer, then Videos, Screen Recordings, and it'll be here. So that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.